Hey guys, in the previous video I showed you how you can make these floral hoop earrings. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will give the link to that in the description box below so you can check that out. Today we'll be learning how to make a matching bracelet to go with it. So let's get started. The materials required for this project are exactly the same as the previous video where we made the earrings with just a few additions. So I will be using anchor cotton threads in two different sizes, two different crochet hooks. One is a 1.75 millimeter crochet hook for the bigger thread, and a 1 millimeter crochet hook for the slightly more intricate thread for the flowers, a darning needle for weaving in the ends, an embroidery needle to sew on the beads, some plastic beads for your flowers, a pair of scissors, and hooks and clasps for our bracelet, and a pair of pliers. We'll start off by measuring our wrist. My wrist is around 6 inches. So I will first take my thread, make a slip knot, and chain any number of chains which is slightly smaller than my wrist. So if my wrist is 6 inches, I will aim for maybe about 5. So just chain. Okay, so I have chained 35 and it is exactly 5 inches long. Now, in our earrings, we made rows of single crochet, and that is exactly what we are going to do here. Skip the first chain and into the second chain, make a single crochet and make a single crochet into each chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, bring through, yarn over and bring through both loops. Just continue that till the very end. Okay, I have completed my row of single crochets and I have even weaved in the tail as I went along. Now chain 1, turn your work and just make 1 single crochet into each stitch. So insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, bring through, yarn over, pull through 2, and just do that for each stitch. Now when you reach your very last stitch, we're going to fasten off by making a slip stitch. So just insert, pull on your yarn and bring through your previous stitch. We'll just put this away for the time being and start making our flowers. For the flowers, I'm using a very intricate white thread and a 1mm crochet hook. Chain 2, make 2 double crochets into the magic circle. 1, and 2. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the magic circle, and we have just made our first petal. We'll be making 4 more just like this. Chain 3, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and chain 3 and a slip stitch into the magic circle. Pull out your thread, close your magic circle. Now we'll be adding the bead right into the center. Just going to insert my embroidery needle. I'm just going to tie a knot, a nice firm knot. Now we don't have to weave that in because it will get hidden when it gets pasted onto the bracelet. So just cut it off really close. And our flower is complete. Make as many as you want. Okay, now that we have made our flowers, it's time to paste them onto our bracelet. So I'm just going to fold this in half to mark the center. Take a glue gun and just apply some glue at the back of the flower. And just paste it on to the center. Okay, so our main base of the bracelet is ready. Now it's time to add the clasp. Alright guys, so on one side we will add a ring and a clasp. So I'm just gonna take my pliers and open up the ring. Now coming to our next side. Okay, so I've added a total of 5 rings, so there's enough scope for different wrist sizes. Let's just wear it and see how it looks. And just look at that, it's so pretty, it's so delicate. I absolutely love it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video and what other videos you would like to see in the future. See you in the next one.